everyone. I'm gonna be the new Thursday girl for OMG Hijabis. I want to thank Sue and Stephanie for picking me, and I'm so excited, and like Nadia said, I'm super happy and I can't wait to get to know the girls more. So my name's Amena or Jasmine, whichever one you guys prefer. My number one most asked question that I'm just gonna address and get to right away is where I'm from. People always ask me, where are you from? So basically, I was born and raised in the United States. I was born on the West Coast, but I was raised in Michigan, and that's pretty much where I grew up, and that's where I am now. I'm still in Michigan, and I'm originally Sudanese. So yes, I can speak Arabic. ممكن تتكلموا معي بالعربي if you prefer to do that. And I'm a student right now. I did my bachelor's degree in aviation. I like to think of myself as the triple threat in aviation. I have an aviation flight science degree, aviation science and administration, and then I'm also going to do my air traffic controller, hopefully get that degree as well. I love the aviation industry. It's my passion since I was a kid. I always knew that that's the field that I wanted to work in. So anyways, a little bit of nerd jargon for you. I really love video games. I love the Wii, PS3, World of Warcraft if you play, add me. Chrono Trigger, best RPG game ever. Love games. I love technology. I love my MacBook. I'm always having my laptop everywhere that I go. Some things that I like to do. I like creative writing, writing my own books. I love cooking and baking. I love desserts. I also love to read. Like everyone else, of course, I love the Harry Potter series, Lord of the Rings, Twilight, but I also am a big fan of Jeffrey Archer. He's a classic. All of his books are very good. I love the classic Shakespeare. I also like to collect quotes from old Renaissance, Albert Einstein, and I actually have a collection on my laptop of quotes that I like, or aviation, air traffic controller, just funny quotes. It's kind of a hobby of mine. I love traveling, of course. I'm in the aviation industry, so I love to travel. Oh, and yes, of course, I'm a pilot, so I can fly airplanes. A lot of people, when I tell them I'm a pilot, they always say, oh, can you fly airplanes? Yes, I can fly airplanes. And actually, my ultimate dream one day would be to fly overseas, international flights for an American airline. That's like my ultimate dream, a jet airplane. So inshallah, one day that'll happen for me. And I'm also going to Sudan this summer. I actually just booked the flight. I'm gonna be there for the entire span of Ramadan, so I'm so happy and I can't wait. It's been a few years since I've been back to Sudan, so that's exciting. And actually, it's starting to rain right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I guess the rain is telling me to be finished now. I'm very excited to join OMG Hijabis and get to know all the girls better and the subscribers as well. Can't wait to see you guys next week, inshallah. Alright, salam alaikum, bye. Okay, so this is the backyard. I just wanted to show you guys this real quick because it actually grows wada gainab and you can just pick it up and cook it. So that's pretty cool. Okay, it's officially raining now, so I'm going back in now. Assalamu alaikum. Bye. I like to... Oh, this bug. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. What was I gonna say? So yeah, I'm the three-dimensional train. That's a good way to start the video. Train. What else do I like to do? Okay. I'll just start again. Can you see that big old bug? It's scaring me. Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. You can hear her in the background probably. Let me just start that over. And I'm a student right now. I did my bachelor's degree. I guess I gotta do that again because I was laughing, you know. Just I don't know how I was gonna end that. What did I say? I want to say something.